guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your LinkedIn Learning app. So all you have to do, just go down, click on my Learning down here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list, and you click here on your name. So then it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do now, just go up of this sign, click on it here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on account settings. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. You just return to open video. So then all you have to do, you just click here on visibility here. When you click on visibility, it's going to take you to this list, and you click here on represent your organization and interests. Then you come here to profile information on content, just clicking this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean profile information on content disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.